In this video, I'm going to show you how to use trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. So that's actually quite easy. All you have to do is once you are on the Binance app, you want to go home, down left, bottom left, and you want to click up there at the very top left where there's the Binance logo. Once you click on it, you want to scroll down and click More Services at the very bottom. Then you want to go up there where it says search for more services, so we find it easier and don't have to kind of look through it, and you look for reward, and then once you type in reward, Rewards Hub will show up. You want to click it, and then it will take you to the Rewards Hub where you can claim those vouchers. Now, as you can see, there's a bunch of onboarding tasks for me where I can get rewards, and you can do simple tasks, as you can see, to get those vouchers. So it says buy or deposit crypto worth at least 10 USD, as you can see, and the second one is complete identity verification to get a 20 USDC trading fee rebate voucher and stuff like that. Okay, so there's a bunch of tasks. They're being added as well, and once you complete them, you will get these vouchers. Simply press do task and you'll be able to do the task. Now, once you scroll back up, you will then see it says under vouchers, my vouchers. Okay, I currently don't have any, however, I'll still show you how to use them. What you want to do is click my vouchers, and then in here you will see all your available vouchers. Simply select the voucher you would like to use, and there will be a yellow button which says use, okay, or something along those lines. Simply click use to use that voucher, and then you want to go out of the Rewards Hub, so simply close it down and go back to the main kind of Binance interface. Click on trades down in the middle, and the next time you purchase crypto, sell crypto, or make a trade, the voucher you used will be applied and it will basically take effect automatically. So that's pretty much it. That's how to use trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.